What's up, folks? This is John from John Branch for Photography, and today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why HoneyBook is for all service-based business owners and freelancers. So if you don't know about HoneyBook, make sure you check it out because it is the best system I've ever used. But if you don't know about it, it's a client-based management system that's mainly advertised towards wedding professionals. So you're talking cake designers, event planners, florists, videographers, or photographers like myself. But I want to tell you the 3 top reasons why I believe anyone in a service-based industry could use HoneyBook. Reason 1, consistent professional communication. So we all use email, we all use text, we talk to our clients that way, whatever's easiest, but stuff can get lost in the cracks. And one thing I found myself dealing with in Gmail is the fact that you start a thread with someone and you have this long stack of emails, and then maybe they reply to something else or send you a new email. So now you had your original thread and you have this new thread and you're like, what am I looking at? Where am I searching? What am I doing? And it just drove me insane. So when I found HoneyBook, the best thing about it is that your communication is consistent. It's easy for everyone to see and it looks professional. You get a nice project area that you can use, and basically your whole thread is right in the one place. You can see every message that's sent. There's going to be no replying back and forth and different threads and stuff getting lost. And you can even reply to it, and your client can reply to it from their email. In this whole workspace, you can also make new workspaces with any other people you're working with. So in my case as a photographer, if I'm working with a second photographer, I can basically have a separate section in my main project with my second photographer, and we can chat with each other. So basically you have this one huge space where you can keep all your communication and always find whatever you need to. The communication is real. Reason 2, contracts and payments. So this honestly should be the main reason, the number 1 reason you switch to HoneyBook if you don't have a client management system now. But your contracts are easy to make, easy to send. They all can be e-signed, and the payments all come through Stripe. So basically, if you have your own contracts now, you can just load them into HoneyBook and you can cut the paper, just get the paper out. Get it out. No more paper! Once everything's online, you can set yourself some templates, easily send your contracts to your clients, and basically they can just sign it online and make their payments. They can add gratuity, you can do all your tax and stuff on there. It's just so quick and easy. I'm able to send proposals out to my couples in, I want to say, like 5-10 minutes after we talk about whatever they would like on their stuff. And mind you, this works for anyone. If, let's say, you're a logo designer and you need to send a contract to your client, boom, right there in HoneyBook, send it out and they can sign it and pay you. You can make payment dates. You can just basically do whatever you need to. What other fields? If you're a plumber and you have a contract, if you're a personal trainer, if you're a copywriter, basically anybody who has a service and you need contracts and you're trying to get paid, which I'm sure you all are, it's super easy in HoneyBook. Reason 3 is the reports and tracking. So HoneyBook has built into it its own reports and tracking. You can see how many clients you've had for the year. You can see how much money you've booked overall. You can see how much money you've been paid so far. And you can also connect all this stuff to QuickBooks. Because I'm sure I know what y'all are thinking is, well, I already have QuickBooks. I'm already tracking stuff like that. But that stuff will just tie it into QuickBooks. So everything is all a normal cycle for you. The tracking has been able to show me where most of my clients are coming from, as well as how I'm doing year over year and how much money I'm making year over year. It's hands down probably some of the best stuff I've seen, and you can export a whole bunch of CSVs and really dig into the data if you want to. So the reports and tracking is a key. I hope that information was helpful. If you're interested in HoneyBook, make sure to use the code below for 50% off of your first year. It is definitely worth the money. More than worth the money, honestly. I'll be doing a review on HoneyBook soon to give y'all a better idea of everything it is capable of and the success I've seen since I've used it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. We're going to be focusing on business technology news here, anything for photographers and creative entrepreneurs. So stick right here and hit the notification button as well. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.